Good morning. It's the next day. By the time we got everything sorted out, figured out printing off orders and such, she got hungry, then we went outside, then we got other things. I didn't make it back out here to make any noise. I was too tired. I'm still working on sleep deprivation from the weekend. But I mean, it's kind of cloudy outside, but it's still nice and it's still really warm. So I'm going to get her little, that's where her socks went. I knew she had socks on yesterday. I don't remember taking them off. Okay. We're gonna get her little playpen set up outside so I can make noise in here for a little while. See what we can get done. Don't know how well this is going to work because she's been sleeping inside for at least an hour. So I feel like either she's going to be totally zonked out and not really notice being transferred from inside to outside, or moving her is going to wake her up and she's going to get hungry and we're going to end up going back inside anyways. I don't know. Either or at this point. So far, this bodes well for actually getting stuff. Oh, nope, the eyes are opening. The eyes are opening. So, I was gonna say that this bodes well for staying asleep, but I don't know how well this is gonna work. She's in the chair. She's quiet. She's still half asleep. Hopefully she falls back asleep. I don't think she's going to. But you know, you can dream. Well, she did pretty good. I got about, you can't see it, I got about half the mountains pieces cut out. Is that you? Who's that? Alright, food, and then we'll come back out. Fed, happy, wiggling. Time to get back to this. Well, I'd say we're doing pretty good. Mountains are cut out, hexagons are cut out, and biscuit joints cut. I'm going to get these boards put through the drum sander so that I can glue them up, and then I basically will have a full table of nothing but gluing. So I keep looking out there at her, mainly because it's technically supposed to rain in about an hour. But I mean, the weather is always off, so it's just sprinkling on and off all day, but it's basically... She's not going to get caught in a thunderstorm, but it might start raining slightly, which is why her little tent thing is up. Mind you, the sun's coming out now, so I don't know what's going on. Weather, the only career you can have where you can be wrong like 70% of the time and still get paid. So close. I have like 2 more boards left. But it's time for a break. Make sure that mommy doesn't work too hard. Yeah, time for a break. Let's go wiggle. Quick snack. I'm gonna pop in here, get the last few things sanded so that I can do glue ups tonight. Because we have about an hour before and I have a video call. No, she's good. She's up. And I'm going to try and keep that laser running for as long as I can. All right. That's part of the reason why I need to get the dust collector set up. Because dust shouldn't, I mean, okay, it's open up there. But overall, most of that dust is coming because the dust collector in the back corner is... It's sucking it in from this room and just kind of spewing it into that room, which kind of defeats the purpose of the dust collector. Anyways. All right, everything is sanded and cut and ready to go, ready to be glued up. And we've got half an hour spare for our meeting. So we're gonna go inside and wiggle. I'm gonna find some food because I am very hungry all of a sudden. And the laser is running, so probably come back out after the meeting, probably with her. Because now that I've got all this stuff ready for glue up, I've got a whole bunch of quiet stuff that I can do, and that'll give Dan a chance to get things he needs to get done. Yeah. Hey? Yes, we're having a very productive day. And we lost another sock. Hey? Did you lose another sock? I'm so proud of herself. Did you lose another sock? Did you lose another sock? So proud of yourself, aren't you? Well, meeting's over. Had a lovely chat. Got quite a bit of information out of it, so hopefully that'll help us with the wood chips. It's kind of a consulting call kind of thing. But just taking a minute, taking a little bit of break before I head back to the workshop with the little one and picking more beans because, you know, why not? It's not like I'm running out of beans here. Like, this thing keeps on putting on more beans. I have learned my lesson. Next year, Beans have to be picked like every 2-3 days. Just a small bowl this time. But this side, where I chopped off all of the roots, chopped all the roots at the bottom, it's actually drying pretty good. It's dying off. They're drying. So there's still some here. It's a little bit hard to tell because some of the green ones from there are coming over to here. But yeah, there's still 1 or 2 greenish ones. And then a bunch of these aren't quite, well, they're kind of dry. So I'll probably leave them until sometime next week. Apparently Dan's about to paint the hitch again. I'll probably leave these to dry until next week because it's been raining. It's been raining a bit yesterday, today. This is rain for another like 2 days. So I think next Tuesday should have a few days of actual dry weather. And then I'll bring them in and finish drying them, make sure that they're good. But then I still got these guys. Oh, I know that one's still got over here. Got more beans. Like, look. Still got flowers coming on. Anyways, I think we're gonna go inside, get 1 or 2 things done, and then head back out to the workshop. And I guess we'll go take a look and see what Dan's doing. Time to spray paint it black?
Yeah. Done with the primer, now I'm starting to make it black again.
Yeah, it's looking good. I mean, it's not new, but it's looking a lot nicer.
It will look better than it was when it was rusted, that's for sure.
Yeah. I got more beans.
More.
We're gonna have to pick those plants like every 2-3 days next year because it's a bit nuts. One last round in the workshop. So go get everything. Oh no, Bam Bam, just inside. Everything glued up once and for all, and then I'd like to say that I'll get a bunch of stuff sanded tomorrow. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I had an appointment tomorrow afternoon that turned into, oh, I'll just go into the city for a moment. And it seems to be turning into I have about 5 or 6 different stops to make now. I have to go pick up this, I have to go get that. Well, since I'm in town and in that area, I might as well go grab that. Eventually I need to deal with that pile before it kills the grass. It'll come back in the spring, it's fine. Open the door. Hands are kind of full at the moment. Okay. That's pretty much it for us. It's just a matter of gluing up all these blanks for that. She's gonna wiggle. I'm gonna turn on music. Be a fun night. See you guys later.